All right, hopefully you can hear this, because I just noticed that while I was doing some big items like machetes, that when you apply any kind of weight to the belt, the motor bogs down. It's cranked up all the way and it bogs down. Not sure, I'm not even putting that much weight on it, but I know that my Dayton 2x42 doesn't bog down at all. So hopefully you can hear this on the recording. Here we go. When I put the machete on the belt. Hopefully you can hear that. Let me check it out on the recording, but yeah. Something important to note, I guess.